Okay, so once you finish that step, you need to boot up your iPod. Hold on, let me take this over to my computer. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my!
Okay. There's aliens in my house, and I locked myself in the closet, and I don't think they can get me here. I'm shaking so much. So scared. Okay. So, you plug your iPod into the computer, and you hit Restore to Default Settings, and it should reboot just like how you bought it. And then restart your computer afterwards. If I don't make it, Cole, you can have my clothes, because I don't think I'm going to need them anymore. And please, if you find this tape, do not give it to the FBI. They will keep it. They're boobs like that. They will keep it. You give it to the news, okay? You let this get out. But cut this part out, because I don't want to look like a sissy in the closet, okay? Okay? Okay. Oh my god, they're trying to get in. Oh my god. Oh my god.